Ready? Start. That he shall pass mission profit to the tune of rupees 5,000 per month to the respondent from the date of this judgment. That the appellant shall furnish an undertaking in the trial court on or before 15/11/2019 that he shall vacate the suit premises on or before 30/4/2021 and that he shall abide by the terms and conditions of this order in letter and spirit, and in case he fails to do so, the respondent shall be entitled to seek his immediate eviction from the suit premises. With these modifications in the impugned judgment and decree dated 26/7/2019, passed by learned Edel District Judge number 2 Bilwara in Civil Appeal number 61/2005, same is affirmed. The appeal is disposed of. Decree be prepared accordingly. There shall be no order as to cost. Learned counsel for the parties submits that the issue raised in the present writ petition is squarely covered by judgment of this court in Vimla Chaudhary and ORS versus State of Rajasthan and ORS SB Civil Writ Petition number 10481/2019 decided on 17/10/2019, and therefore the present petition may also be decided in terms of the said judgment. In the case of Vimla Chaudhary Supra, it was inter alia directed by this court as under, with the above observations regarding issuance of cutoff, the respondents are directed to take into consideration the candidature of the petitioner as and when appointments are made whose documents have already been verified by the respondent pursuant to the interim orders granted by this court. The petitions filed by the petitioners stand disposed of. In view of the submissions made, the writ petition filed by the petitioners is disposed of in light of and with similar observations as made in the case of Vimla Chaudhary Supra. A copy of the writ petition be supplied to Mr. Akhilesh Rajpurohit, learned counsel, who may complete his instructions in the matter. List on 21/11/2019 along with SBCWP number 10639/2019. Office is directed to reflect the name of Mr. Akhilesh Rajpurohit as counsel for the respondents in the cause list. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the controversy involved in the present writ petition is identical to the one decided by this court in bunch of writ petitions wide order dated 19/7/2019 SBCWP number 9226/2019 Guru Sar Modia Gram Seva Sahakari Samiti Limited versus State of Rajasthan and ORS. Mr. Beniwal is not in a position to dispute this factual aspect of the matter. Hence, this writ petition is disposed of in terms of the order dated 19/7/2019 passed in Guru Sar Modia Gram Seva Sahakari Samiti Limited Supra. The stay application also stands disposed of accordingly. Mr. Mathur, learned counsel for the petitioner, cites an interim order dated 14/8/2019 passed by this court in SB Civil Writ Petition number 12161/2019, Saket Jain versus UIT Bilwara and ORS, and submits that the present writ petition is identical to this case. The present writ petition is directed against the order dated 25/6/2019 passed by the Debt Recovery Tribunal. Upon perusal of the material which has been placed on record so far, it transpires that the petitioner mother, father, and wife have gifted the property to the petitioner by way of registered gift deed executed and registered on 24/12/2018, while the original application in which the interim order impugned has been passed was filed on 17/2/2018 by the applicant bank against the defendant for recovery of a sum. In prima facie opinion of this court, a transfer by way of gift deed has been made to circumvent the right of the bank and to defraud the recovery. Learned counsel for the petitioner has not placed any material, including the proceedings initiated by the bank against the petitioner and copy of the original application filed by the bank. List these matters on 7/11/2019 as prayed. These writ petitions have been filed by the petitioners seeking considerations of their candidature for appointment on the post of LDC in ST category by considering their senior secondary with one subject of computer science as qualification of computer, and the respondent be directed to provide appointment to the petitioners. It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioners that the issue raised in the present writ petition is squarely covered by judgment in Hira Lal Jat versus State of Rajasthan and ORS SB Civil Writ Petition number 11070/2018 decided on 1/8/2018, wherein based on the clarification issued by the respondents on 11/7/2018, Annex 5 in CW 13305/2019, directions have been given for consideration of the candidature of petitioners therein for appointment on the post of LDC pursuant to the advertisement of the year 2013. Learned counsel for the respondent made submissions that when the petitioners were initially called for document verification, the petitioners did not appear, which aspect is fortified from the applicant's status report Annex R1, and therefore the petitioners cannot claim any right to be considered all over again. Source is 3P Legal RHC and exercise number is 38. Words are 807 and speed is 100.